Hi, Darren here from Wags Valve. Attention property managers and boards. Three things that we know are fact. Water heaters don't last forever, and water, the universal solvent, not only does it shape mountains, it destroys properties. Cost savings come when good stewardship of a property is implemented. Prevention is better than a cure. The Wags Valve provides critical safety against water damage due to a failing water heater. The solution is in the simplicity. The Wags valve sits in a drip pan under the water heater and is activated when leaking water accumulates to predetermined level in the pan. Once activated, the industrial duty spring-loaded piston in the valve shuts off the water flow and the gas supply, if so equipped. A proactive mitigation program with the Wags valve will save you thousands of dollars and the stress of it all. And remember, a Wags valve requires no electricity, no batteries, no wireless signals, no maintenance, and no worries for the property owner. If you have any questions, we would love to hear from you. You can reach out to us at 844-438-9247, or you can message us. The Wags valve, simple, smart, with well over 100,000 plus installed. Wags will watch so you don't have to.